Hello guys! Let's learn some colors today. Red color, orange color, pink color, yellow color, baby pink color, forest green color, dark blue color, black color, gray color, blue color, and green color. Let's learn to draw some shapes with this. Let's draw a triangle. This is a triangle. Star. This is a star. Circle. Arrow. This is an arrow. Square. A square. Semicircle. Let's color these shapes. Gray color. Let's color the triangle with gray color. Baby pink color. This is baby pink color. Green color. We are filling circle with green color. Green color. Dark blue color. This is dark blue color. Orange color. Square is orange in color. Pink color. This is a pink color.
Amazing!
Triangle, star, circle, arrow, square, semicircle. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.